Sinungaling Mong Puso. Sinungaling Mong Puso international title, Cruel Lies/Transl. Your Liar Heart is a 2016 Philippine television drama suspense series broadcast by GMA Network. The series is based on a 1992 Philippine film of the same title. Directed by Ricky Davao, it stars Rhian Ramos, Rafael, Rosell, and Kiko Estrada. It premiered on July 18, 2016 on the network's afternoon prime lineup, replacing Hanggang Makita Kang Muli. The series concluded on October 28, 2016 with a total of 74 episodes. It was replaced by Hahamakin and Lahat in its time slot. The series is streaming online on YouTube. Premise: Clara and Roman will meet each other in a time when they are going through something. They will suddenly get along and marry each other. It is going to be a start of healing for Clara till she notices something different about Roman, who eventually turns out to be hard, skeptic, and abusive. She will eventually meet a younger man, Jason, who will give her the caring that she is looking for. Cast and characters. Lead cast: Rhian Ramos as Clara Pamintuan Aguera, Rafael Rosell as Roman Labangan Aguera, Kiko Estrada as Jason Villafuerte Aguera. Supporting cast: Jazz Ocampo as Hannah Arellano Aguera, Michael de Mesa as Moises Aguera, Glidel Mercado as Raquel Labangan Aguera, Sherilyn Reyes Tan as Liza Arellano, Cheska Diaz as Helen Villafuerte, JC Tiusico as Jolo, Gab de Leon as Vin, Stephanie Saul as Camila Ganzon, G. Canlas as Jillian. Guest cast: Snooki Serna as Clara's mother, Emilio Garcia as Clara's father, Lauren Young as young Clara, Paulo Contes as Eric Salvation, Riza Senon as Leder Rovels Aguera, Khaled Punzalan as young Jason, Josh Clement Eugenio as young Roman, Migs Cuaderno as young Jason, Tesbom Maranan as Rowena Wina, Ali Espino as Larry Arellano, Brent Santos as Lawrence, Mayan Estanero as Alma, Afi Africa as Tony, Kevin Sagra as Borge, Carla Pambid as Lorna, Francis Mata as Dante Ibanez, Paulo Gamboa as Greg Villegas, Marlene Flores as Josephine, Claire Vand as Kylie, Avery Paraiso as Nick, Cara Erigal as Paula, Wowie de Guzman as Mario Villafuerte, Madeline Rains as Angelica Pamintuan, Andrea Del Rosario as Lourdes Rovels. Ratings. According to AGB Nielsen Philippines Mega Manila Household Television Ratings, the pilot episode of Sinungaling Mong Puso earned a 13.4% rating, while the final episode scored a 15.5% rating.